This is the people versus Edward. No, here, I'm sorry. Let me get off. This is the people versus. Wait, let me bring these people out first of all.
What? Oh.
Okay, this is the people versus JD Durden, ticket number P11548896. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license, not one person. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Werbling.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defense.
Good morning.
Say your name, Mr. Durden. Say your name, Mr. Durden.
D-U-R-D-E-N.
No, not spell it. State it. Say your name.
J.D. Durden.
Okay. There looks like
I'm the fifth.
There's an offer to dismiss this matter, Mr. Werbling. You stipulate the probable cause.
I do, Judge, on his behalf.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Durden. Did you have any questions?
Yeah, they spelled my name wrong. It said D-U-R-A-N.
I know, it's just spelled wrong on Zoom, but I've been saying Durden, and the ticket says Durden, so you're all set in the computer.
Okay, so all I do is have to pay?
You have to, well, yeah, you have to pay the civil infractions, but as far as this ticket before me today, that's dismissed. But you still have the civil infractions that you need to pay.
Okay, thank you so much, Judge.
You're welcome, good luck.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, Mr. Werbling. This is the people versus Edward Rucker, ticket number 3. I think it's 322446. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number SP1228157. Count 1, drive while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, leave scene of accident, personal injury, and then count 3, no insurance misdemeanor, and then.
That's
there's-
right.
Huh?
That's the right person. It was Lamar work. I don't see 2 counts.
He got this.
SF ticket, 2016 ticket.
Hold on, I'm sorry, give me one more second.
Show cause 845.
These are the tickets that she made that she gave off. But then there's also SP too.
What an SP ticket that was on it, right?
There's SP too.
Okay.
Let me see if it's not a document.
It's not.
Okay, audit this.
Okay. I'm sorry.
And then there's ticket number X3. All right, we're also on ticket number X3821390. Count 1, violation basic speed law, too fast, and then count 2, no operator's license, and multiple licenses. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Werbling.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
State your name, Mr. Rucker.
Edward Rucker.
All right, there is an offer that if he pleads to count 2 of the ticket number ending in 157, which is leaving the scene of an accident, personal injury, and then there's also the same matter, which if he pleads to the civil infraction, then the court will dismiss everything else. So that's the offer.
Okay. Mr. Rucker, do you understand that? It's a little bit different than what we discussed. There was a leaving the scene of an accident count. Did you want to take responsibility for that, or do you want to come back and set that for trial?
Right,
Or
the only difference, Mr. Rucker, and I'm sorry to interrupt, Mr. Worthing,
It's
is
okay.
that there's a state ticket as well. And so the offer would be that you plead to the civil infraction, which likely would be points and would also be a fine, and then dismiss the misdemeanor on that ticket. So that's the difference from what you talked to Mr. Worthing.
so if I plead to the civil infraction, I'm gonna have a misdemeanor.
Say that
Hello?
again, Mr. Rucker.
Yeah.
What did you say? I didn't hear you.
Say if I plead to the civil infraction, I'm gonna have a misdemeanor.
Are you saying, I'm just repeating what I think you said. Did you say if you plead to the civil infractions, you'll have a misdemeanor? The misdemeanors would be dismissed.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Did you want to do that?
Yes.
All right, so with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket, Mr. Werbling?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And give me 1 second to see what the fine is, and then you stipulate the probable cause.
Yes, we do, Judge.
All right, so the other tickets are all dismissed without prejudice. Give me 1 moment.
Yes. Disposition. Case comes in. There's no kind of problem. Yeah, that's something that's we. Right, let me write, because you need to have that.
Give me 1 moment, please.
That's true, what is?
SP 1228157.
There is no kind of contact.
Oh, is that a misdemeanor?
Okay. It is a misdemeanor, you can see that's a personal opinion. I guess it's all depends on your findings and thoughts.
Okay, I'm sorry, I thought that was a civil infraction, it's a misdemeanor. So give me 1 second, because I know this one is a civil infraction. Okay, I gotta look this one up.
That's a RASX
Oh, as that.
3821390. That's a civil crime. 190.
Oh, he already defaulted?
Mhm.
Oh, okay, never mind. Never mind.
That was on count 1.
Okay.
You want?
So, okay, I'm sorry, Mr. Werbling. So the state ticket, let's do all this over again. It's gonna be the original offer. The state ticket is already in default, so I will dismiss the count 2, no operators, multiple license.
Mhm.
The leaving the scene of the accident, that is actually a misdemeanor, so he needs to make admissions to that. So with that, Mr. Rucker, it's back to the original offer, and it's just gonna be this one. So can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Worthing today in private about your case and your rights.
I did.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of July 22nd, 2021 at approximately 3:27 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Auburn and Dover in the city of Detroit?
Yes. Yeah.
You said yes?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2008 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
All right, and did you leave the scene of an accident where someone was injured?
In July, no. I didn't have no accident in July.
I said, did you leave the scene of
No.
accident?
No, I did not. I was
This is-
still there.
So that's what you would be making admissions to. So you're saying you want to go to trial?
Nah. Yes, I did.
All right, so with that, you're satisfied, Mr. Worthing?
I am, Judge.
I'm also satisfied the factual basis. We'll accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. Oh, Mr. Worthing, you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so those matters are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that paid by August 19th?
Can you say that again?
There's going to be a $200 fine. Can you have it paid by August 19th?
Yes.
Did you have any questions?
I do have a question. I'm working real hard to clear this up and to put all this behind me, and I just wanted to know, like, what could I do, or is there anything I can do to get a restriction license, anything to get my pay up, my $3 pay upgrade at work? It's like I'm really working real hard.
You're working real hard to do what? What's your question?
Like I'm trying to get like a restriction license or something, like where I can get a pay upgrade.
You need to contact the Secretary of State.
Okay.
And there might, I don't know, there might be some reinstatement fees that you may have to pay, but you gotta contact the Secretary of State. Any other questions?
How many more court dates I have coming up?
I don't know, you tell me. You got any other tickets? You should know that.
I mean, I got quite a few, and I'm trying to clear them up and put them behind me.
Okay, well, do you, I mean, you need to, you can go to the 36th District Court website and look up all your tickets. It should tell you.
I have, and they all say zero balance, and I only owe $300.
Okay, well, then you need to pay the $300. But as far as with the Secretary of State, to see about getting your license back, you need to contact them.
Okay.
You can call 965-5118.
You can, listen, you can call this number, 965-5118.
I'll say.
And they'll tell you what you got.
All right, what's the number?
965-5118.
965.
right, you all set?
Yeah.
Okay, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, this is the People versus Maria Riddle, ticket number SP 11426673, count 2, unregistered and untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Peacock.
Precinct Police Department Special Operations Ceasefire.
Go ahead, Mr.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Ms. Riddle, say your name.
Maria Riddle.
Okay, this matter is set for a trial. Are we proceeding to trial, Mr. Worthing?
Judge, I did see that she has valid registration, not currently, Your Honor. So we would ask the court to consider that in terms of a dismissal.
You had an opportunity to, you reviewed this and it was in fact valid.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Officer Peacock, do you have any position?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so this matter, you stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Worthing?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Ms. Riddle, good luck to you.
Does that mean I'm okay to go?
You're okay to go. You're done. You're all set.
And I don't have any points or anything on my license?
This matter was dismissed, so I don't know if
Okay.
you have any tickets out there, but this matter was dismissed.
That was the only one. Okay,
Good luck to you.
thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Yep, that's it for the day and the week.
That's great, Your Honor. Everyone have a great weekend. Thanks to you.